Hey guys, welcome back to Sam Tech Official. Today I've got something really exciting. We're testing the iPhone 17 Pro Max right here at Eiffel Tower Park. Apple calls this their strongest iPhone ever. It comes with an aerospace-grade titanium frame, a ceramic shield front, and an upgraded aluminum frame ceramic shield glass on the back. But you know me, we don't just take Apple's word for it. We're going to drop this phone from different heights to see if it can actually survive real-world accidents. Let's quickly look at the build before the drop test. The titanium frame feels premium but lightweight. The ceramic shield is supposed to be 4 times tougher than regular glass. And the back glass, Apple says it's their most durable yet. You can feel how solid this thing is. But remember, in the end, it's still glass. And glass breaks. So let's put it to the test. First test. Waist height. This is the most common drop, pulling the phone out of your pocket or while texting. Okay, after that fall, we've got a tiny scuff on the titanium frame. The ceramic shield? Still perfect. No cracks, no dead pixels. That's a good start. Now, let's try head height. Imagine dropping it while taking a selfie or a call. So after these real-world drop tests, the iPhone 17 Pro Max did not live up to Apple's durability claims. Yes, the titanium frame is incredibly strong, but both the front glass and back glass shattered, and the touchscreen became unresponsive after just a couple of falls. This proves, once again, even the strongest flagship phones are not indestructible. If you're investing in a device this expensive, a good case and screen protector are absolutely necessary. Thanks for watching this durability test. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sam Tech Official for more honest tech reviews and extreme tests. And tell me in the comments, would you risk dropping your brand new iPhone like this?